Okay, so we've got a 2019 Kia Seltos. Travelled 15,000 kilometres. Automatic with a 7-year warranty. Beautiful, sort of a yellowy gold. Got the nice alloy wheels. Absolutely like brand new, this car. I mean, it's only done 15,000 kilometres, right? So, as you'd expect. Representing good value for money too. Take a look at the interior. Got your multi-function steering wheel there with your cruise control, Bluetooth connect. There's your speedo there, 15,000. Got the satellite navigation, reverse camera, climate air conditioning, automatic transmission. There's your driver's seat, like brand new, as is your front passenger. Open the door, James. There's your back seat there, like it's never been sat in. I'll just give you a bo peep inside the boot. Got a nice big boot, and I'll even throw in the floor mats. All inquiries welcome, please give us a call.